To create a MetaMask wallet, start by going to the MetaMask website and clicking on the download button. MetaMask is a digital wallet that allows you to store, send, and receive Ethereum and other Ethereum-based tokens. Once you have downloaded the MetaMask extension, you will be prompted to create a new wallet. Click on Create a Wallet and agree to the terms of service. You will then be asked to create a password for your wallet. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password. After creating your password, you will be given a seed phrase, which is a list of words that can be used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to it. Make sure to write down your seed phrase and store it in a safe place. Do not share it with anyone. Once you have secured your seed phrase, you will be logged into your new MetaMask wallet. You can now use your wallet to send and receive Ethereum and other tokens, as well as interact with decentralized applications. To add funds to your wallet, click on the Add Funds button and follow the instructions. You can add funds using a credit card, bank transfer, or by receiving Ethereum from another wallet. To send funds, click on the Send button and enter the recipient's wallet address, the amount you want to send, and a gas fee to cover the transaction costs. To receive funds, share your wallet address with the sender, and the funds will be added to your wallet once the transaction is confirmed. Remember to always keep your wallet and seed phrase secure, and to only use reputable sources to add funds to your wallet. By following these steps, you can create a secure and functional MetaMask wallet to manage your digital assets.